Respiration normal. Weight gain steady. Motor skills improving.
Just a little water potato.
It took seconds. A tiny, private moment. Goes public. Goes global. Becomes a product. Shoot, she's a newborn animal, not a fashion accessory.
Anna, this is a gift. Our funding was cut. This saves us.
You named her after a marketing project? The stress could kill her.
We will be careful, but we will do it.
Puma wants the enclosure branded.
Said, the decision stands. I have urgent matters to attend to now.
Hurry up, move the reflector closer. We need the shot now.
Look at the hippo. Oh, he's adorable.
Anna, bring her closer to the pool. The Glamour team needs the shot.
No, this is finished. The animal comes first. How much? How much are they paying?
What? A lot. Millions in exposure. Why?
Then they can pay for a new future. Our terms, not theirs.